since a lot of you have raised issues about making the taskbar smaller on our previous video, here is the updated version of it. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Making the taskbar smaller is relatively straightforward through the registry editor. So firstly press on Windows plus R and search for registry editor and tap on enter. Once it is opened, firstly you have to make sure to back up the editor to prevent compromising your device and data. For that, you can click on File and then export all the data and save it. Now to resize your Windows 11, first of all click on H key current user. Under current users, you need to search for software folder. Once you have clicked on software, search for Microsoft. Under Microsoft, you need to search for Windows. Again under Windows, search for current version. Under current version, click on Explorer. And finally under Explorer, search in Advanced. Right-click on the Advanced folder, then after click on the New. Under New, you have to tap in dword 32-bit value. Now you need to rename the folder or file. Name it as Taskbar SI. Make sure that the T is capital as well as S is capital. Once that is done, hit the enter button. Now you have to double tap on the folder to open it. Make sure that the value data is set to 0 and then click on OK. Now you need to restart your device to implement the resize of the taskbar. And this is it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.